welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela, and today I am going to be doing a little bit of organizing. I'm going to be organizing both my daughter and my son's room. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So this is a little bit of what I'm going to be using, and I am going to be starting off in my daughter's room. So I'm going to start off by placing this lamp underneath my daughter's loft. It was dark under here, and I thought that it would be a great idea to put some kind of light underneath here, and so I found this really cute little lamp, and so that is what I am doing here. I'm just placing this light underneath her loft on top of her cubicle. Now she has light under here, and it was $10. I don't understand why you're thinking of, you had me at alone. So moving on, I am now going to be changing this electrical plate cover along with putting in some plug protectors. Later on in this video, I will be going back to my daughter's room, but on this day, I decided just to move on to my son's room, and I am going to be cleaning up a little bit and just reorganizing some toys that they have in the closet. They have like bins of toys that need bigger bins, and so I'm going to be switching out the bins and just trying to organize this space. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Angela. I am a mommy of 4. I am a stay-at-home mom, and I love making videos on cleaning and organizing and just anything mommy related. So if you like those type of videos and you aren't already subscribed, I would love for you to join my YouTube family. I got this really nice rope light that I am planning on hanging up in my son's closet. His closet has no light whatsoever, and so it's kind of dark in there. And so I am getting this in hopes that it will brighten up the closet, which it does. You guys will see here. So I am just taking it out of the package, and I am just going to start working on hanging it up in his closet. I love the way that this came out. It made the closet so much brighter, and so now I can actually see everything and just see what I have in here. And so I am actually planning on getting one of these lights for my daughter's room as well. Well, not her room, but for her closet. But moving on, I am going to be just putting toys in bigger bins like I said earlier. Okay, hold on, Erin. So now I'm going to be putting together this dresser that I bought for their room. And so that is what we're doing here. It says 2 persons, so you're going to have to help me. You going to help me? They used to have a bigger one. Well, it was like bigger in size, but it really didn't hold a lot of clothes. I actually have that in my closet now. But I bought this one, and I love it. I really love it. I actually loved it so much that I got one for my daughter's room, which you guys will see me setting that one up together in this video as well. This is it, you guys. It is so cute. It's 8 drawers, and these drawers, I mean, this thing looks really small and slim, and it is. It's nice and slim, but it holds a lot. So if you're looking for something, I would highly recommend getting this. You can find it on Amazon. Right, Aaron? When I try to get something done and I can't. Because somebody wants to be here tearing everything up. Stinky baby. So I started and I stopped because this baby doesn't want me to clean. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is just let him play with the toys, and I'm going to go start hanging stuff up over here on this side. Or you see I already have the like painter's tape up. But I'm going to do that and see if maybe he'll stay over here in this little area while I go and... Oi, cutie. While I go and set things up over there. So we'll see if that works out. Or see how that works out. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, shoot, that works. Right on, baby love. Mama doesn't need that yet. Hold on. No! Where's my level? Dang it. Okay, let me go find my level. I'll be right back. Found my level. So as you can tell, my bright idea did not work. The baby he just loves me and just wants to be attached to me. So he's just helping me out, and I am just trying to finish. So that is what I am doing here. Way later, and I really didn't do anything in my daughter's room, so I am just gonna try to get some stuff done here in my son's room. I'm gonna put together a shoe rack, and I bought some new bins to put in his little cubby storage thingy that he has over there. So I'm gonna do that, and let me show you guys what I got so that way you guys can know. And I also have a lamp that I bought a few days ago that I need to set up for in here, but let me show you guys. So I bought that because I want to try to organize their shoes in their closet, and then I got another big bin for stuff that's in the closet, and then I bought 2 more of these. I'm like replacing the ones that I had, these that I got from Amazon. They were not really that great, so I don't recommend buying those from Amazon. Like, that's gross, it's dirty. But these are from Walmart, and they hold up so much better. So I bought 2, so we just need 2 more after that, and then we'll have all of them. So I'm gonna be doing that. So as you can tell, this video took place on several different days, and so this is the last part of the video, and I am now setting up the dresser that I bought for my daughter's room. It is the same exact dresser as I got for my son's room, except it is a different color, and I love it. So this is what I am doing here. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.